used to think the good life was waiting somewhere far, at the end of one more long road, under some brighter star. Now the evening leans around us, slow and golden wide, and everything I ran toward is resting by my side. These old steps, this open sky, this quiet wooden chair, turns out all I ever needed was already here. Not every dream was late, some were taking their time. Not every blessing called out loud, some just walked in